Hi, this is Meg from London Accountants here, and today we're going to show you how to create a simple invoice to send to clients using Xero accounting software. So for this example, we're going to just use the demo company here on the dashboard. This is going to be very similar to what you will see when you log into your Xero. If you go into business here at the top, click on invoices. Here you'll see all of your invoices ready to go. And for a new one, we want to click at the top here, new invoice. Everyone will see this template. Super simple. The first thing you're going to want to do is enter the contact to which you are sending the invoice to. So here, these are just example contacts. So we're going to click on this one, Bank West, and just double check what we want the currency to be. So just GBP. For this one, due date, obviously everyone is different the way they send invoices, but for this example we're just going to use bi-weekly, so that's just 2 weeks from now, taking us up to the 22nd of Jan. The invoice number, just keep that the same. This will keep a track of all the numbers of the invoices you send out. And for the reference, we're just going to use simple test invoice 1 just for this example. If you are a company that sells, I don't know, books, for example, or like items, this is where you will have your inventory and your items that you can select. For this example, we're just going to use a service, no items there, no inventory. Here you will enter your description, quantity, unit price, we'll keep it simple at £100. There is an option to provide a discount for your client if necessary. And then moving on, you will choose which account this will go from. So this is just a simple example. So we're going to use sales. And then moving on to tax rate. If you are a VAT registered company, here is where you will add your tax rate. For the purposes of this example, we're going to just choose no VAT, super simple. And yeah, then you will see the subtotal. And let's add a second item on there, test invoice 2. Let's try quantity 2 and a different unit price, just so you can see how this adds up. Again, clicking into account, keeping that at sales. Just going to alter this to no VAT again, very important. And here you will see the grand total, so £600. The next thing you're going to do is approve this invoice. This doesn't send the invoice to your client, it just approves it in Xero, so your invoice is there ready to go. You can also preview it, so this is what it would look like on desktop and on phone. Very easy to read. Just double check all those details, make sure everything is good to go. The next step would be to email this to your client. So I'm just using a demo email address there. If you want to read all this text, this is just going to be the standard template, which can be altered through Xero. You're going to mark this as sent, so you can tell that this invoice has been sent to your client. Client will receive, and you can send straight through Xero. So super easy. If you go back into your invoices, here you will see the invoice we've just done as an example, marked as sent. Now this will change once the client opens it at their end. It will say read. Once it's been paid, it will say paid. So yeah, super easy to keep in touch with your clients and on top of your invoices.